Oh, another one? What? Oh, it's SBR. It's a SBR.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Cleveland to near Kingwood to Jacinto City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Whew.
Locations impacted include northwestern Pasadena, northwestern Baytown, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Liberty, Cleveland, Dayton, Cloverleaf, Highlands,
SBR, guys. It's an SBR.
Crosby,
Caught it.
Bellevue, Splendora, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Old River Winfrey, and Ames. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas.